on the line. We have one of the biggest, the baddest sound out of Fort Lauderdale. We have the selector on the line, Shadow Force, Shams, Rockwell. What go on, Shams?
Yes, my brother.
I'm there. What go on?
Thanks, you know.
Ah, you see it.
Sure, you know, so I'm going to know what I'm going to do.
Alright, no say nothing. This past, it was Tuesday night, right?
Yeah.
Tuesday night. Tell the people what go on Tuesday night. Just give me a brief explanation of everything what go on Tuesday night, because we understand say you did in a Sound Clash and you make it to the finals after about what 4 or 5 rounds, right?
Yeah. Well, 3, but that was the one thing was going to talk rock rounds. Yeah, the Sound Clash is right, and you know they thought they would can sign up and everything. You know, we decided, you know what, we can try still and
okay.
You know, going out and reach the finals, you know.
Yeah.
Go to mental reach the finals and you know, it is crazy still because it's not like Florida didn't talk like because dancing kind of mash up, you know, everybody have my dance kit and they violate the dance, but Sound Clash thing was good and you know, reach the finals Tuesday and I know they're on the road already, juicy mental way, you know?
Yeah.
So all the better sound about that, you know.
Alright, what happened make Juicy Mental get the trophy and not Shadow Force? Cause me say you take the first round, me say you go on good in the first round, you know.
Alright, you are bad. Cause you know I go make no push or nothing. Put like this.
Yeah.
Try a thing and it never work. Bad selection.
Okay, so are your mistake why Juicy Mental take the trophy?
Yeah, you know, you just put it like this, you just, you know, I just think Gwaan in our camp.
Yeah.
I really want, I just think into the Gwaan, in our camp while they dance at Gwaan, so.
Okay, so
you know, you know, so yeah, well, you go straight forward and bad selection, bad strikes and, you know, so you go.
Okay, so a little disturbance that go on in a Shadow Force camp, so that's why. Because I know so on the bad, on the wicked them way there, on the versatile, especially you know, because are you mix, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I know you're versatile them way there. So carry me through after I finish the first round, right? Take me through the second round was what? 2 for 2, because when I do an introduction round where on go on good me ear, so on go on good in an introduction round, right?
First round, then there was no elimination, no elimination, didn't count and you know the intro round, one with that telephone roll out, you know?
Yeah.
People respond to it and you know?
Yeah.
So everything good and then second round come. You know, custom player, not a custom player, and you know, crowd like nice, and then you know, third one is just there's a bad selection choice through, and then it's up. So you go.
So give me one of the baddest tune where you join at the third round, where you feel like say boy, at that tune there, you're supposed to play for kill Juicy.
Well, the third round was 45 rounds.
Yeah.
And we kind of take a different direction of the music. It's like going on some Batman thing, but never work out that way. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
As every 45 round, everybody starts with the same direction and set a whole stand. But we try something and it never works. So.
Okay. It's understandable. So you will learn from your mistake because you're a veteran in the business, you know.
Yeah, because like how we said, the proud of my son, I'll come second place, wish we did win, but the proud of my son because number one, we're not a tough son.
Yeah.
We play people, you see what I say, unlike to go out there and in the clash world, like, we go and we entertain people, we know party and everything, and we just try to think because the dancers business needed, you see what I say?
Yeah, but Shams,
going away right now. Yeah.
You have to be proud of yourself, you know, because remember say you just point say it's not a clash zone, you know. But how much round you got through before you reach at the finals? Look on that. Give yourself credit for reach at the finals.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm proud of my son. I'm proud of my other members. Besides from my job, action for me DJ thing. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Entire thing and it works. You know what I say? So I'm proud of my son. So
Okay.
reach all the way to the final. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Because you have only a sound. We have bigger sound than me, and you know, it's like it was a class. Somebody have to win, somebody have to lose, but some of them they don't want to do it. So we just say, you know what? Have fun, you know, because someone will go in a trash and oh, you lose, then your reputation go down in jail. Them man say music for the people. We don't play for the other summer, we play for the people. So it's playing what they want. At the same time, the whole head with confidence. We proud of my thought.
Yeah. So what next for Shadow Force now? When you come in second, that means that the money tall up here now. RHR TV can get some business from money here now.
That's a half year. Money for the half year. You know?
Alright, that's all more here now. That's all more here now, cause you come second in the Sound Clash, that means you are one of the best sound in a Fort Lauderdale. You understand what I say? So enough bookings and them thing there. So how can you look forward in the future, Shadow Force?
Well, the same way we want to give the people and what they want. You know, you just when you come apart, you know, we try to people enjoy them because work hard here and you want to come home and then say, boy, you want to go out and have a laugh because music brings laughter in your life, you know.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Just so much the music brings time in your life. You didn't have hospital twice in the past month and you don't know if you never have the music in them, would have a crazy. You see what I say?
So wait then. In the last round, what was the crowd? All them like vote for see who win and them thing there. The crowd was in it with you guys or no?
Well, put it like this, it's also on a pussy too.
Yeah.
You know what I say? I just see people must get pussy too more than mine.
Okay.
That's where you go, you know?
Okay.
Don't touch.
So I say next year.
Yeah, man, I have a reload up back, you know?
I'm ready back for Juicy. Eh?
And that they must show again, man. They must show again.
And this time is a def una mash him up this time. Cause una supposed to depend familiar with each other, you know.
Yeah, man, Juice our price, you know what I say? Like how I say, it's a man give friend to pay. You see what I say?
Hey, but Shams.
Big up DJ back, you know?
But Juicy can talk on the mic still, right? You think that's a part of the reason?
Not really still, because him come with this thing and these shit come up and you know, people must say, yeah, still a power with this thing to so.
Yeah.
So just at the end of the night, I make a music clear. You know what I'm saying? We make a mistake and you know, it kind of messed up still and from this up.
Okay.
So,
alright, so next year, we are dead here, we are covered next one, you know. Because this one, we kind of, you know, me I say never get the dates them right and thing, and with the club, we never come to any agreement and thing. But the next one, we got dead, so you don't know, so you have to put your best foot forward.
yeah, man, all the time out.
Alright?
You know?
Alright, sir. So, look forward for see you next year in the clash and them thing. They just keep it up to date and we talk after the year about some business thing, alright?
Yeah, man, respect my brother.
Yeah, man, and thanks for calling and make the people them know and understand how the clash go and thing.
Yeah, man,
alright?
Happy, you know, Merry Christmas to everybody, Happy New Year, and enjoy the holidays with you and your family, see?
Yeah, man, same to you and the whole Shadow Force family, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah, bless. Yeah. Yeah, man, and the runner up that in the Sound Clash this past Tuesday. I go on a Fort Lauderdale. Man say him get the silver medal, but him still proud of him son. So when time we come back, we are gonna talk, we are gonna call the boss who win the thing, or win the clash. The man that the way they was supposed to be in the studio with him trophy and him pam girls them and everything, but I don't know how I'm to even look like them throw too much champagne on the man star, the man catch cold. Cause a while ago the man called me, him hardly attack him under some medication. So we'll take a station break and we'll come right back to talk to Juicy Mental, Fort Lauderdale, #1 sound for the 2011. Alright.
The center also provides after-school care for children up to age 10. The Learning Center utilizes a combination of structured curriculum instruction, teacher-directed activities, and child-initiated play to promote the physical, social, emotional, and intellectual development of each child. Come experience an environment of exploration, discovery, and exciting challenges. Grace United Learning Center, achieving excellence together. We are located at 911 Northwest 183rd Street, Miami Gardens, Florida. Our hours of operation, 6:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. Monday through Fridays. We can be contacted at 305-651-1947 or on the web at www.graceunitedlearning.com. Grace United Learning Center, a ministry of Grace United Community Church. The Learning Center is a privately owned organization providing exceptional child care and educational services.
Welcome back to Dr. Gwaan. Don't know, say David mentioned. And we're there. So like we done the promise now, we talk to Shams Rockwell from Shadow Force, the runner up. Now, I met the engineer called Juicy Mental. You understand? And talk to him, Fort Lauderdale's #1 sound for the 2011 and him win the clash. Engineer, get Juicy Mental on the phone for me. Please. You don't know, say, meanwhile Shad do that. Merry Christmas to everybody out there, all our supporters, all our fans, them and everything of RHR TV. Fans are all time something. Where we are using cameraman? Alright, big up all that air condition them out there. I said, big up all, because the man say we don't deal with fan. Because fan are all time same thing. I understand. So big up all that AC them out there. Alright? So may I say, Merry Christmas. And for all of the people them, where when they can't afford no ties, we don't have to watch dancehall mix this Saturday. Because I'm going to show you how to make some time. I'm actually going to bring them come in at the studio and make them pan set while I do the countdown. Me and Vice Grip, because Vice Grip cheap. So Vice Grip say I'm going to join me and make a couple of things. You understand what I say? So, we don't have to watch dancehall mix this Saturday, you know. I understand what I say. I will have a Christmas dinner come up. So all of the fans them where you can join with if you know, you understand? There's the juice up on the phone. Alright, we have the boss on the phone. Mental, insane, sick, crazy. Fort Lauderdale's #1 sound. Mental sound. The selector we have online. Juicy, Mental. Gwaan.
To the world.
To the world. Hey, too much champagne splashing Tuesday night. You catch up draft.
Real.
See that the man sound like a winner. But real, eh?
Then I real right.
Alright, I really appreciate it. The man sick in bed and him take the time out to talk to it tonight. So I really appreciate love it, Juicy Mental. I just talked to Shams Rockwell a while ago, right?
Yeah, big up Shadow Force for you.
Yeah man, big up Shadow Force, and man say man admit it and say you play better than him that night. And you can respect that. You understand? Because yeah, you can respect that. So Juicy Mental, can just give me a little bit of history about yourself, please.
Okay. Well, big man things still, you know, I started this music career from hit up third from born at the youth, you know what I say?
Yeah.
There are a lot of sound in my career, I play mellow from Pambi.
Okay.
Nice to the TV sound. They are sound in black. I started with that sound in Black Champion.
Yeah.
You sound like Soul Swap, another sound in me. So it was like, not them time the bad sound. But to play a lot of sound, you know.
Yeah.
And then again, you know, I'm just cool out of the beat, get back in the business again. And start with a mobile sound at Jamaica.
Okay.
They can relate. I go around and kill a lot of sound.
Yeah.
The mobile beat.
Okay.
You have to run and catch me with that officially, and some boom and migrate come up on, and they have start the thing. First time we come to New York, and the first touch never New York was Tech 9. Kill Tech 9 and get that book there then.
You kill Tech 9?
The first time from, yeah, that's from.
So, Juicy. You don't stop walk around and kill sound, man. You want it? Eh?
Always. Mentally ill, ready to kill.
Mentally ill, ready to kill. That's Juicy. Mental. So, Tuesday night.
Yeah, and
eh?
now, I said, come down here and, first time I play down here, I kill shut up, push and get the next trophy again, too.
So wait there. So before Tuesday, you kill shut up force already?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Shams never tell me that, man.
Yeah.
Checks out the first time on the clash.
In the 09.
Oh, in the 09.
09. Yeah. The same merciless that I use on it, the same merciless killing queer a lot.
Wait there. Wait there. The same merciless way. So that means that him not learn then, no?
Huh?
Him not learn, because if you use him, should not look out for that the merciless there and have something ready for the merciless. Because you say it kill him with already, and you come back and kill him with it again.
Yeah, man, I say. Him try hard to go to rocket thing, but a we say merciless are all DJ and him loyal to it, so
yeah.
Talk out talking.
Because me here say no. In the introduction round, them did a go on good, and your comment on the mic was where them a go do, cause them a play out the whole of them tune.
Yeah, them inexperienced, them full of experience over them.
Okay, so them play out the whole of them tune in the introduction round.
Yeah, because the basic factor it was I think they were more depending not on tune but on the crowd.
Okay. So them don't know so the race is not what them say the long distance enduring.
Yeah, but I give them a surprise because I cut a Mama Lulu top plate.
Where you say? You cut a local Mama Lulu dub plate for them.
Yeah, where I say them bring them funds in a red. So tonight them are go dead. So that kind of set up the funds them.
So but you know say but me I gonna tell you something right now, you know so Mama Lulu and Shadow Force them are good friend. So how you happen to forget that they dub the friend her?
Thing Mama Lulu and I respect me as a big sound and she
okay.
No sound never accept a dub and she feel honored someone like me ask her to do a dub this there.
You see it? And enough people who know you're smart, you know. You know? You're smart, man. Because they use them own and kill them. Yeah, what you say?
Mama Lulu price gone up and Mama Lulu a star now.
So now that me I say you know turn her in a star now. I say anybody go back forget a dub plate have to come out of them pocket, you know, man.
Really?
Yeah, because you turn her in a star.
That thing, man.
Yeah, man. So, any more clash for the rest of the year since you are the #1 sound of Fort Lauderdale?
Well, I think something in make it a music maker again because I think music maker like having a problem myself, but I don't feel like it looks good. But it was a team clash and I have a big of Sterfile thing. I do work publisher and Sterfile give me the artist challenge.
Yeah, with
you know, man. Yeah, because I'm really man, pressure on that experience again after them out of that one day, you know.
Okay.
Because honestly about that commission it wasn't biased. I think one party, one clash.
Yeah.
I would think I bias in with Sharaput and disruption, you know. That's the only one kind of suspect I biasness.
Okay, so you think that disruption should have got through?
Well, I wouldn't say go through, but it should be a more better judge.
Okay.
In my perspective.
So wait there, at the crowd judge it or you have judges was there?
The crowd.
Okay. Anything the crowd says still goes, you know.
Yeah, so yeah, but that's why I tried to put the tempo on the crowd the other night, but I took his crowd because in the middle of the dance, I see a man take off the red shirt, put it at home and start step on it.
And take off the red shirt.
And start step up on it.
So what the red shirt symbolize now?
Try to force fans them wear red.
Okay. so one of him fans them take off his shirt.
Yeah, alright guys.
Yo, Juicy, you're the easy, you know. So you say you beat them bad till the fans have to take off his shirt.
If I then come to bias, so I tell them who come for bias, I'm going to make them bilious. I see what bilious and take the shirt off. But you never know where mother.
Why, it's bad when the fans them turn against you, you know. It's bad when the fans them turn come for support you and then turn against you when them a leave. That not good, you know.
I want to take time out to pick up DJ Brad, you know. DJ Brad.
DJ Brad. Big up yourself.
Yeah man, DJ Brad.
Yeah man.
Select a mental sound and the youth when I respect them at the whole of the region, the whole South Florida region.
Yeah. Next week Thursday night, if you can make it, you make it in next week Thursday night, hopefully the champagne splash wear off and you feel better.
Yeah man, definitely man, because when it comes to the fans, you know, we're obligated, you know.
Definitely, because yeah, cause trust me, a whole heap of them want to see Jose mental, you understand? Them not just want to hear the voice. Because
golden voice, you know.
I tell you, you know, from them see the black go up in a Jose mental in studio, you know, I tell you, you know, man, be so much woman fans they have, man. For a clash sound.
Thing, man. Thing, man.
Yeah, man, I mean, a whole heap of female follow Jose mental, man, and that's it, that
real life.
Eh?
In a real life.
In a real life, yeah.
I want to take time out to pick them up, you know, pick up all of the mental fans, them worldwide, because I'm not just Florida alone, you know.
Jose.
Worldwide.
Jose, the cameraman say him stop deal with fans, you know, fans are whole thing, and deal with the AC, you know. You hear me?
Depends on what the AC mean.
Wait, I'm going to ask him what the AC mean. Hold on, what the AC mean?
I mean agriculture cow.
Wait mean.
Actual condition.
Him say it mean actual condition. Me don't know. Me don't know. But yo, Jose mental. So right now you're supposed to book out because you're the #1 sound of Fort Lauderdale now. You are with the crown, and where I just want to make the people them make all of the comers them where I gonna take a shot at Juicy Mental, know where them up against. I just want to send a message to them right now.
Well, what I say, pick up all the soul man them worldwide. You know what I say? And you know, whenever the date them come, we deal with it one at a time. You know, but it's not an easy road like a butcher button says, so don't come think it's a pushover. You know?
Yeah, that.
I got over all things.
Yeah, that.
Got over all. In the future, the booking them right now, you can check out Mental Sound New Year's Eve night, total, mental sound, mental media.
Okay.
And on the 21st of January, Black China Mental Sound Shadow Push at South Rock. And 3rd of March, Fort Myers. You know, and something in the making right now for a tour in England in April.
Okay.
Soon love this for the mental sound in England in April.
Worldwide, they
So
say.
for them things there. And it's a positive they are shown from New York and they're supposed to war in April. Down here.
Yo, we are there, you know, cause come like a funeral you create, you know. Be a funeral. Jose Mental. Yeah,
He's not an attacker, we're just a defender.
Okay.
We're not attack, we just defend.
You hear that? So any sound, nobody feel like sound, you can run up. I understand and have to come prepare. Because me still can't get over. Because me is not a sound man, you know, Juicy. Because I don't know the first thing. I mean, I can do something, but like, to go in depth with it and thing. But me, if you kill me with a merciless, that merciless that you can't play back and kill me again. And next time.
I support that stuff.
Yeah, man.
Support the argument.
Yeah.
Then I'm support that.
Because, trust me, man, trust me, I learn from my mistake, you know. So there's no way you can job at that same merciless and kill me.
That's what I think, you know, big man. Alright, you're 16 as selector. Back in the days, selector used to be just selector, back in the 80s. Now the thing advanced, you have to be an entertainer. You get an idea with.
Mataran kind of start that, right?
Yeah, you have to be an entertainer now, and you have to creative.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a creative and everything there.
And once you have with the fans want, you go that is a far way. Like I say, you have to be an entertainer. And that play a big part tonight too.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, you're not please yourself, you have to give the fans them.
Exactly. You couldn't have said it better. True that. So, next week, Josie are there next week. Next week, Thursday night. So, you have to log on and you can call in, ask him any question you want to ask him. As long as no profanity and no disrespect or anything. Call in and talk to him, you understand? Josie, we just want to tell you thanks again. Thank you very much because I know so you're sick and you're there in your bed wrap up and you still take the time out for dip on the phone and talk to me. Respect for that, Father.
Yeah, man, bless up, man.
Yeah, man. And thanks.
The fans, I want to pick up all the fans worldwide. Pick up my manager, Pablo. Pick up teacher, one of the mental fans worldwide. Pick up. And I want to have big respect to RHRTV.
Mother Road.
That's right.
Yeah.
Real roots.
Yeah, real roots. Real hard roots. So, Josie.
I think I said to all of the gangsters them now. More money, more wife, more life.
Yeah. That me I say. Just like me said earlier, the guns them need to come out of dance hall.
Sure.
Yeah. You see me I say? So Josie, thanks again for your call and next week we'll have you in studio. Alright, Father?
You know, I'm going to live good, man, because we're Jamaican, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man. Thanks. Yeah.
Out and bad.
Yeah, Mother Road. Don't know, say that at Fort Lauderdale's number one sound, mental sound, that was Juicy Mental. And I heard from him, say him use Merciless and kill him in a 09 kill Shadow Force and him come back again and use the same Merciless and kill him. But